Welcome to Digital Skillwork Studio, where digital skills come to life. My goal is to guide you through clear, beginner-friendly lessons that make learning digital tools simple, enjoyable, and stress-free. In this lesson, you will learn how to use backgrounds, textures, and patterns in Canva. Backgrounds help set the mood of your design, while textures and patterns add depth and visual interest. By the end of this lesson, you'll know how to choose and customize backgrounds that make your designs feel polished and professional. To find backgrounds in Canva, open any design and look at the left sidebar. Click the Elements panel, then use the search bar at the top to type words like background, gradient, texture, or pattern. Canva will show a variety of options you can use as the base for your design. To apply a background, choose any background image or graphic from your search results and click it. Canva will place it onto your canvas. Resize the background until it fills the entire page. This gives you a clean foundation to build the rest of your design. Solid colors are simple and clean, and they work well for minimal designs. To use a solid color background, click anywhere on your canvas, then open the color tile in the top toolbar. Choose a color from the palette or enter a hex code for an exact match. Gradients blend two or more colors to create a smooth transition. They add a soft, modern look to your design. To find gradients, open the Elements panel and search for Gradient Background. Choose a gradient you like and stretch it to fill your canvas. Textures add depth and a natural feel to your design. You can find textures like paper, fabric, wood, and concrete by searching for Texture Background in the Elements panel. Choose a texture that fits your theme and apply it to your canvas. Patterns include dots, lines, shapes, and decorative designs. They can make your background more interesting, but they work best when used lightly so they don't distract from your text. Search for Pattern Background in the Elements panel to explore different styles. You can soften any background by adjusting its transparency. Click the background, then open the Transparency slider in the top toolbar. Lowering the transparency helps your text stand out and creates a more balanced design. Photos can also be used as backgrounds for a bold and realistic look. Open the Elements panel or the Photos tab and search for an image that fits your theme. Drag the photo onto your canvas and stretch it until it fills the entire page. To soften a photo background in Canva, click the photo on your canvas. In the toolbar, select Edit Image to open the editing panel. Click Tools. Scroll down to the Texture section and use the Clarity and Sharpness sliders to reduce detail. Lowering these values creates a gentle, softened look that helps your text stand out clearly. Overlays help unify your design and make text easier to read. To add an overlay, open the Elements panel and search for Rectangle. Choose a simple rectangle shape and place it on your canvas. This shape sits on top of your existing background, not behind it. Drag the corners to resize it until it covers the entire page. Then open the color tile in the top toolbar to choose a color and lower the transparency so the background shows through. This creates a soft overlay that changes the mood of your design without removing the background underneath. Here's a quick summary. Use solid colors for simple designs, gradients for soft transitions, textures for depth, and patterns for decorative styles. Adjust transparency to soften your background and use photo backgrounds when you want a bold visual. Overlays and blur help your text stand out clearly. You now understand how to use backgrounds, textures, and patterns in Canva. In the next lesson, you'll learn how to work with shapes, lines, and elements to build structure and style in your designs. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell so you don't miss the next lesson. Your support helps this channel grow. I'll see you in the next tutorial.